Eating Out with Kids, a guide for parents. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into an important and sometimes challenging aspect of family life: eating out with kids. Whether it's a quick bite at a cafe or a sit-down meal at a restaurant, dining outside the home with your little ones can be a delightful yet daunting experience. We'll explore what it means, share some tips for a smooth outing, and discuss how to make these moments enjoyable for both parents and children. So, let's get started. When we say eating out, we're talking about dining at a restaurant, cafe, or any place that is not your home. Adding "with kids" to the mix introduces a whole new level of considerations, from choosing the right place to keeping the children engaged and well-behaved during the meal. It's not just about the food but also about the experience and the challenges that parents might face. Selecting an appropriate venue is crucial when eating out with kids. Look for family-friendly restaurants that offer a relaxed atmosphere, a kids' menu, and perhaps some form of entertainment for the little ones. It's also wise to consider the noise level, space for strollers, and availability of high chairs. Remember, a good choice can make a significant difference in the overall experience. Preparation is key to ensuring a smooth dining experience. Try to plan your mealtimes around your kids' schedules to avoid dining out when they're usually tired or hungry. Bringing along a small bag with essentials like wipes, a bib, and a few quiet toys can be a lifesaver. Discussing restaurant behavior before you leave home can also set clear expectations for your children. Once at the restaurant, engaging your kids in the dining experience can help keep them occupied and less likely to become restless. Let them choose their meal from the kids' menu or talk about the different foods on the table. Praise good behavior and gently remind them of table manners if needed. It's all about making eating out a fun and educational experience for them. Even with the best planning, challenges can arise. If a child becomes upset or disruptive, remain calm and address the situation with understanding. Sometimes, a quick walk outside or a distraction with a toy can diffuse the situation. It's important for parents to stay relaxed and flexible, adapting to the needs of their children. Eating out with kids can be a rewarding experience that creates lasting memories. By choosing the right place, preparing ahead, and engaging with your children during the meal, you can navigate the challenges and enjoy the delights of dining out as a family. We hope this video has provided you with valuable insights and tips for your next family outing. Happy dining, and see you in the next video.